I have some very angry birds flying around my head right now, and I thought I would show you them because they are getting so close to me. Watch for a second. Did you see that bird? Look at how close they are getting to me. So they have a nest in our barn, and I was just in the barn and they followed me out because they are mad. I'm going back into the barn and they're getting even more annoyed. Let's see if I can catch another couple flybys. They go so fast you almost can't see them on the camera. They're so mad. Let me see if I can show you their nest really quick. This is going to be tricky to see, but it's right in the middle of the screen right now. And I'm going to try to zoom in just a little bit. There it is. You can probably hear them being really angry behind me. All right, I'm heading back in the house. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.